Savanna Energy Services has journeyed to the land down under, taking with them 2 new service rigs, 2 new third-generation hybrid drilling rigs, and developing its own local tracking division. The new venture starts here in Toowoomba, inland of Brisbane, where Savanna has established its field operations. Working alongside Origin Energy, Savanna brings its patented third-generation hybrid rigs to the exciting Australian coal seam gas play. Since Savanna's inception 10 years ago, the company has grown exponentially. In accordance with its mandate for expansion, Savanna works hard to become a contributing member of each new operating community and is very pleased to be embarking on this latest opportunity in Australia. With 4 rigs on the ground, Savanna hopes to develop and foster long-term relationships.
I see Savanna growing and growing, bringing more equipment, more drilling rigs, more service rigs, employing more Australians, buying more Australian goods and products, and really being part of this community. That's really important for Savanna wherever we go, is to be part of the community and part of the economy.
In Savanna's vision of defining leadership in global energy services through people, innovation and technology, there's a reason people come first. People are the foundation of Savanna, and it's thanks to our employees that we have come to be known as a company who cares. And in Australia, that's no exception.
Obviously very community orientated with the way that they jumped on board with the flood relief in town, with the way they had the depot here where people could come and drop off donations and things like that. Guys out working, going down to Gat and that, helping farmers out with their fences and things like that. It got Savanna's face out there in the community, and the community knows who Savanna are.
Savannah's considerations for their surroundings, including the environment, are values shared by their contractor, Origin Energy.
We're always trying to improve our position in the community and have less impact on our community, on our landholders, and also on the environment. So the ability of these rigs to rig up on a minimal disturbance or a zero disturbance location obviously is a big advantage that we see going forward for us.
Ever since Savanna Energy Services was given the opportunity to set up shop in Australia, there's been nothing but enthusiasm for the future, and not just from management.
I think there's a big opportunity for a lot of people, not just people directly involved in the industry, but also other benefits that'll reap rewards from this coal seam gas project that's going to happen for the next 20 or 30 years, 30 years.
Savanna's advanced rig technology is in a league of its own and promises to make a significant impression in its new setting.
We really have to thank Origin Energy and ConocoPhillips for really taking the chance and looking at this technology and seeing the benefit of what it can bring to the Australian market. The coil tubing drilling, the injector, the integrated top drive, the automated pipe handling, the PLC controls, all of those things are basically new to the country, and we think it's going to do a very good job here.
All of these advanced features increase safety and performance. Automated pipe handling eliminates hazards by manipulating pipe without the need for manual intervention. Top drive technology provides speed, precision and control. Operational parameters such as weight on bit and rate of penetration are monitored on touchscreens in the doghouse. The efficiencies built into these rigs allow for penetration rates of 200 to 400 metres per hour. And because they're hybrid rigs, they can utilise both pipe and coil, providing 2 drilling technologies in one unit. The capacity to drill with coil gives consultants more flexibility across variable drilling conditions. Hybrid rigs can switch between pipe and coil in just 10 minutes. The human-machine interface, or HMI, allows for more automation and therefore less strenuous manual labour.
When they're drilling, it's all drilled by joystick. It's in the air-conditioned doghouse, for example, so you get the people out of the environment. Because of the automation, there's fewer people that have to work on the equipment.
I think what I like about the Savanna rigs is that there's a lot of opportunity to make our activities safer. The coil tubing, not having to handle the drill pipe, obviously has a big impact both in the safety and efficiency of operations.
The reason why Savanna's drilling rigs and completion rigs are particularly suited for Australia, they're completely mobile. So they're all on wheels, and there's nothing in Australia at the moment that's completely mobile. So what that does for Savanna, it gives them a competitive edge over the competition.
Each Savanna rig in Australia has been engineered for the Australian market, with attention paid to every detail, from high-powered cooling fans to maintaining ideal temperatures in the heat, to special fluorescent lights that don't attract insects during nighttime operations.
It's fantastic. I haven't worked on these sort of rigs before, but I'm looking forward to getting in there and learning the next lot of new technology that's out there that Savanna has.
Easily we could triple or quadruple the size of the organization here in Australia, and it could become hopefully a key component of Savanna on a worldwide scale.
Savanna is now leading innovation on 2 continents and setting the bar high for the industry. Savanna looks forward to expanding its Australian operations by working hard to show customers they are defining leadership in global energy services.